If you're a high schooler trying to juggle academics, hobbies, and personal life, I've got the perfect routine for you. I know balancing school and everything else can be tough, but trust me, it's all about having a solid routine that works for you. In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step routine that will help you get better grades, stay productive, and still have time for the things you love. I'm going to break down the entire day, from waking up to going to bed, with everything you need to keep things balanced. Let's jump right in. Morning routine. 1. Wake up at 6 a.m. First things first, start your day early. I know it sounds tough, but trust me, waking up early is the key to having a productive day. Aim to get 7-8 hours of sleep. It'll give your body and brain the rest they need to stay sharp. 2. Hydrate and freshen up. After waking up, drink a glass of water. It helps you rehydrate after a long night of sleep. Then, freshen up. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and just get into the mindset that you're ready to tackle the day. 3. Light morning movement. Before you start your day, spend at least 10 to 15 minutes stretching or doing a light workout. It can be a quick walk around the block or some yoga. It wakes up your body and makes you feel more energized. 4. Eat a nutritious breakfast. A healthy breakfast is essential for your brain. Think oatmeal with fruit, eggs, or toast with avocado. Avoid sugary cereals. They'll leave you feeling sluggish mid-morning. A good breakfast fuels you for the first part of your day. 5. Quick morning review. Before you leave for school, take a quick 15 minutes to skim through your notes from yesterday or review what you'll be learning today. This small review will make a huge difference when it comes to retention, and it'll help you feel confident for the day ahead. School hours. 1. Stay organized. During school, it's crucial to stay organized. Use a planner or digital app to keep track of all your assignments and deadlines. This way, you'll never forget about that important test or project. 2. Take active notes. Don't just write down everything your teacher says. Take active notes. Highlight key points, ask questions when you don't understand something, and make sure to jot down things in a way that makes sense to you. 3. Use breaks wisely. Instead of scrolling through your phone during breaks, try reviewing your notes or discussing class material with a friend. A few minutes of focused review during breaks can keep you ahead of the curve. After school routine. 1. Take a 30-minute break. After school, it's time for a well-deserved break. Relax, grab a snack, stretch, or chat with friends or family. A 30-minute break will recharge your energy and prepare you for your study session ahead. 2. First study session, 2 hours. Now it's time to hit the books. Start with the most challenging subjects. Whether it's math, chemistry, or history, tackle the hard stuff first while you're still fresh. Spend 1 to 2 hours focusing on homework, revising notes, and preparing for upcoming tests. Try to avoid distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb and really zone in. 3. Use the Pomodoro Technique. I recommend using the Pomodoro Technique to stay focused. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a 15-minute break. This technique keeps your brain fresh and helps you stay productive. 4. Active learning. Rather than just passively reading through your notes, use active learning strategies. Solve practice problems, teach the material to someone else, or summarize the concepts in your own words. This makes studying more engaging and effective. Evening routine. 1. Second study session, 1 hour. After your break, dive back into studying. Use this hour to work on long-term assignments, projects, or revising for upcoming exams. This session is about consolidating everything you've learned so far, so be sure to focus on areas that need extra attention. 2. Time for hobbies, 30 minutes. After all that studying, it's important to unwind. Spend 30 minutes doing something you enjoy, whether it's drawing, playing an instrument, net reading, or any other hobby that brings you joy. This time is for you, so don't feel guilty about taking a break. Night routine. 1. Wrap up your day. Before you get into bed, spend 15 minutes organizing for tomorrow. Pack your school bag, lay out your clothes, and jot down tasks you want to accomplish the next day. This will make your morning smoother and less stressful. 2. Self-care and relaxation. Take some time for self-care. This could be skincare, brushing your teeth, or even just relaxing in a hot shower. Feeling refreshed at the end of the day helps your mind relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. 3. Unwind without screens. Turn off your phone or any electronics 30 minutes before bedtime. Instead, read a book, meditate, or journal. Reflect on your day, what went well, and what you could improve on. This helps you end the day with a calm mind. 4. Bedtime by 10 p.m. Try to get to bed by 10 p.m. Sleep is essential for recovery and helps your brain function at its best the next day. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep so you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Weekend routine. Wake up around 7:30 to 8 a.m. Drink water, do light stretching or a quick workout, and have a nutritious breakfast to fuel your day. Study for 1.5 to 2 hours, focusing on assignments, notes, or upcoming exams. Use Pomodoro, 25-minute study, 5-minute break, for better focus. After studying, take a 15-minute break to relax. Spend 1 to 2 hours on a hobby or creative activity, like reading or drawing. By 1 p.m., take a lunch break and enjoy a balanced meal. After lunch, study for another 2 hours, focusing on more challenging tasks or assignments. Take a 20-minute break afterward. By 4 p.m., spend time with family or friends, whether it's chatting, playing games, or relaxing together. By 6 p.m., study for 2 more hours to finish homework or review for exams. Afterward, take a break for dinner and enjoy some relaxation. If you're still productive, spend 1 more hour studying, reviewing notes, or preparing for the week ahead. Finally, unwind before bed with a calming activity like reading or journaling. And that's it for today's ultimate high school routine. Remember, it's all about balance, studying hard, staying organized, and making time for your passions. Consistency is key, so don't stress if you don't get it perfect right away. Keep refining your routine until it works for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on productivity and balancing school life. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own routine. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies. See you in the next one.